helping people find the right book is my favorite part about being a librarian. Oh, but I'm about to wiggle off to do a puppet show in the story area.
Some cake, then. Oh, wait. You're all looking for books, too? Oh, dear. This might be even harder than I anticipated. But never fear. Librarian Grover can help everyone find what they need, for I know all there is to know about libraries. Who is excited, huh?
Libraries are quiet places for people to read and work.
Yes, there is no honking.
I do not remember that rule. Huh? Oh, right. Yes, of course. That rule.